Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Ether could surge to $7,500 by year-end and $25,000 by 2028, according to Standard Chartered's Geoff Kendrick. Citing strong institutional demand, regulatory boost, and network upgrades, Kendrick sees Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin, with the ETH-BTC ratio rising to 0.05. Ether Treasury buyers and ETFs have acquired 3.8% of all Ether since June, double Bitcoin's pace. The US Genius Act's passage in July supports stablecoin adoption, further benefiting Ethereum. Developers aim to boost Layer 1 throughput 10x, enhancing high-value transactions and Layer 2 growth, making Treasury holding firms more attractive than Ether ETFs. Crypto ETF issuer Canary Capital has registered Canary Trump Coin ETF in Delaware, a possible first step towards a US exchange listing. The August 13 filing could precede SEC submissions including S1 and 19B4 forms. News of the ETF spiked Trump Coin trading activity on the Solana blockchain, with volume surging 94% to $870 million and price climbing 4% to $9.5. The token is up 7.18% over the past week but remains 64% below its $75 January peak, reflecting lingering volatility despite the current crypto market rally. Thumzup Media Corporation, with Donald Trump Jr. as a major shareholder, has raised $50 million to expand into cryptocurrency purchases and mining. The funds from a $10 per share offering will go towards acquiring more digital assets and developing mining infrastructure. Thumzup currently holds 19.1 BTC worth $2.36 million and plans to diversify into coins like Ether, Dogecoin, and Solana. The company's board has approved holding up to $250 million in crypto. Following the news, shares rose 6.73% after hours amid Bitcoin hitting $124,128, fueling market optimism. The Smarter Web Company PLC has purchased 295 Bitcoin at an average price of £89,000 each, totaling £26.3 million. This raises its holdings to 2,395 Bitcoin acquired at an average price of £82,399 per coin, with a total investment of £197.3 million. The London-listed firm integrates Bitcoin into its corporate strategy, citing its role into the future financial system. Bitcoin holdings have delivered a 55,069% year-to-date return and 76% over the last 30 days through the UK's FCA warns of high risk and volatility in such investments. Nasdaq-listed BTCS Incorporation has purchased 3 Pudgy Penguin NFTs, signaling a strategic expansion beyond Ethereum. Known for its large ETH holdings, including a recent 14,240 Ether buy, BTCS is now diversifying into blue-chip NFT assets. Pudgy Penguins, launched in 2021, maintain strong floor prices and a loyal community. The move follows growing corporate interest in NFTs as treasury assets, with some seeing cultural and brand value benefits. However, critics warn of volatility risk compared to Bitcoin or Ethereum. BTCS's move may spark broader adoption of NFTs in corporate finance. Cathie Wood's Ark Investment bought $172 million worth of Bullish shares after the crypto exchange's NYSE debut surged 83.8%. On August 13, Ark Innovation ETF acquired 1.7 million shares. Ark Next Generation Internet ETF bought 545,416 and Ark Fintech Innovation ETF added 272,755. Bullish, backed by Peter Thiel, priced its IPO at $37, opening at $90 before closing at $68. The IPO raised $1.1 billion for growth and acquisitions. Ark's move reflects renewed investor confidence in crypto-linked equities amid a more favorable US regulatory climate. The NFT market surged to $9.3 billion in value, up 40% from July's $6.6 billion, driven by Ethereum's price rally past $4,000. At press time, Ether traded above $4,600 with a $557 billion market cap, boosting valuations of Ethereum-based collections. CryptoPunks leads with a $2.4 billion market cap and a $20 million in weekly sales. Analysts say Ether's rise directly lifts NFT values as most are dominated in the token. Ethereum-based assets dominate the top 10 NFT rankings, underscoring the network's influence over the sector. Google Play Store will ban most crypto wallets app in 15 major jurisdictions unless developers hold banking or money service licenses. The rule applies to custodial and non-custodial wallets in regions including the US, UK, EU, Canada, and Japan. Critics say the policy imposes heavy compliance costs, threatening open source innovation and privacy tools. Google says it aims to ensure a safe, compliant environment for users. New apps must comply immediately, while existing wallets face removal if they fail to meet licensing requirements. South Korea's Dunamu, operator of Upbit, has partnered with Vietnam's MB Bank to create the country's first regulated crypto exchange. The MOU was signed on August 12, 2025 during the Vietnam-Korea Business Forum. Dunamu will provide infrastructure and compliance expertise, while MB Bank offers local regulatory and banking integration. The launch aligns with Vietnam's digital technology industry law effective January 2026, which formally recognizes digital assets. The partnership aims to ensure security, transparency, and legal compliance in Vietnam's emerging crypto market. LIXTE Biotechnology Holdings will allocate up to 25% of its corporate reserves to cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. Assets will be held with a regulated custodian complying with all legal and audit standards. CEO Jordan said the policy aims to hedge against inflation and currency depreciation while boosting liquidity. LIXTE develops cancer therapeutics and sees crypto as part of a fintech-enabled Treasury strategy. The move reflects a growing trend of companies integrating digital assets into corporate finance for diversification and potential returns. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is Muchu Sharma signing off. Keep watching 3.TV.